Today I'm planning to explain future tense, simple future tense. We use will and going to, like when the action, when the verb that we use this tense to talk about future, like things that have not done at the present moment or in the past, and it has not exist at the moment. That is where we use simple present tense. So let me start. Like how to use, when to use, will, and going to. We use will to talk about spontaneous plans decided at the moment of speaking. Like we use will when the things occur suddenly and where we have to. That time we use will. Unplanned, uh, where we not planned things. That is where we use spontaneous means. Suddenly we choose to do things at the right moment. That is where we use the will. I forgot to phone mom. I will do it after dinner. So uh, here she right that moment she remembered about calling her mom. So she now she thought that she should have called her mom. So now she is telling, I will do it after dinner. After having her dinner, she is going to call her mom. That is what it means. And next one, I can't decide what to wear tonight. I can't decide what to wear tonight. I know I will wear my green shirt. I know I will wear my green shirt. These are all not planned. All of a sudden, she wanted to go somewhere. I think she might. She has all of a sudden decided to go somewhere. So she's thinking, I can't decide what to wear tonight at the right moment. So that is why she's using will. And the next one, there is no milk. I will buy some when I go to the shop. There is no milk. I'll buy some when I go to the shops. At the moment, sometimes we also get this kind of situation. All of a sudden, if somebody has come, that time some things uh, like we won't have it, where we out of stock. That things when the things gets over, that time we plan, we go, we decide to go and buy. So suddenly, all of a sudden, the as a result of occurring something, so we have to decide at the right moment. That is where we use will. So here there is no milk, so I will buy some when I go to the shops. So at the right moment. And next one, going to. We use going to talk about plans decided before the moment of speaking. These are all plans where we use going to when we planned, we certain about things. So where we have to use going to. I'm going to phone mom after dinner. I told her I would call at 8 o'clock. So this planned. She earlier had this plan to call her mom. So that's why she's telling, I am going to phone mom after dinner. I told her I would call at 8 o'clock. So she told her mom that she will be calling at 8 o'clock. So planned. We use going to where we planned, and certainly uh, definite when we planned, that time we use going to. And next one, I am going to wear my black dress tonight. I'm going to wear my black dress tonight. Already she planned about wearing black dress. So she's going to wear black dress tonight. That is what it means. And next one, I'm going to go to the supermarket after work. What do we need? I'm going to go to the supermarket after work. What do we need? This also she planned going to the supermarket, and then like what things we should buy. She's asking what do we need. when she visit supermarket. After visiting supermarket, what she should buy, that is what it means. So she planned, I'm going to the supermarket after work. These are all planned. We use going to when we planned things, certain we know we have to do. And these are will uncertain, suddenly we plan, that is where we use will. And informal formal a business formal way we use will, formal talk. And these are all casual, we use choose to use going to. And when we predict something, that time we use will. And things are formal way of expressing things, saying things, that is where we use will. Going to is like casual. And here what we should remember, uh, like a sudden plan, we use will. And going to certain, we planned already, according to that we'll do. That is where we use, that is how we choose to use will and going to. Yeah, I hope you understand this will and going to. So tomorrow I will do some more exercises, uh, examples about will and going to, so you will understand even more. Yeah, I hope you understand this will and going to. Yeah, thank you. Bye for now.